Kia ora koutou! Welcome back to another skipping tutorial. I'm Sasha, and today I'm going to teach you how to turn around in a circle with your rope. There are lots of different ways that we can turn around with our rope. I'm going to start you at the beginning and we're going to go with the easiest one. We're going to call it a full turn. Okay, I'm going to show you what it looks like to start with. Here we go, basic bounce, full turn, bounce, toe catch. Okay, two different parts to this. First part, starting position, bring the rope over the top, and as we bring it over, then we're going to turn our body and sweep the rope. This is the first part, okay? Bring it over, sweep the rope along the ground. Come over, sweep the rope along the ground. That's the first part. Then, when we're facing the back, so that's 180 degrees. So once we're here, we're going to change the position of the rope. So we sweep along the ground, then we lift it up to the sky. Okay? So the first part of it, along the ground, the second part, up to the sky. There we go. Let's take a look at it. And that's the full turn. A couple of things to remember. Sweeping down at the ground, you want to take the rope with you as your body moves. See how my body turns and the rope comes with me. So the whole way you want to take the rope with you. Then when we're coming back to the front, arms up at the sky. Point up at the sky, take the rope with you. And then around and toe catch. Keep practicing that one. Don't get too dizzy. Get dizzy doing those ones over and over again. But have a go. See how you get on, and I'll catch you in the next video. Ka kite.